ताहिर, आवाज आ रही है आपको?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tahir and you are watching Live HR Consultants Pakistan. First of all, I would like to inform all the viewers that today I am with Greenwich University representative Mr. Mohit and also OIG representative and also with HR UK manager. Thanks to both of you that you joined us today. And if you have any query, you can contact on this number 0346 or you can place your inquiry in comment section or you can call again on this number 0346 Now over to you, Ms. Nadia.
Assalamu alaikum. It's Nadia from HR Consultants. We welcome all of you on online this online session. And with us today we have Mohit. Mohit is from Oxford International Group, and today we are representing Greenwich University. Mohit, can you please give a little introduction about yourself?
Sure. Thank you, Nadia. Thank you, Tahir, for having me on this session. My name is Mohit Raja, and I work as a regional manager for Oxford International Education Group. So Oxford International Education Group, as a company, we are the pathway providers for a number of institutions in the UK. University of Greenwich is one of them. And today's session is going to be focusing on University of Greenwich in general and our Pathway Center with the university.
Thank you, Mohit. Tahir, we will be taking the live calls for the students who are really want to apply for the Greenwich University students. I would like to inform you that HR consultants are here to represent Greenwich University, and Greenwich is basically based in London. And if you have any questions, if you have any queries, and if you really want to apply for the Greenwich, you are welcome to place your application now. My number is just given on the screen is 0346 and our admission teams are available to assist you in terms of admission. And if you have any query, today we are here to support you and we are here to answer your inquiry. I guess we need to take a call. We have a first person, Fatma Sheikh. Fatma,
Yes.
Are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Fatma, can you please introduce yourself and tell us that which program you're looking for at Greenwich?
My name is Fatima and I'm looking for Master in Artificial Intelligence or Master in Computer Science.
Okay. So have you looked into the courses of the Greenwich? Fatma, did you look into the programs you select from the Greenwich University?
I think Miss, she's not here. You can take next call. Miss Aksa is waiting.
Okay, no problem. No problem. We can move into next call.
Yes.
So we have Aksa with us. Aksa, are you listening us?
Assalamu alaikum.
Aksa, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Aksa, can you please give a brief introduction about yourself and the program you are looking at Greenwich?
Okay, I did pharmacy from Punjab University and I am looking forward for Masters in Pharmaceutical Analysis in Greenwich.
Okay, so did you apply to the Greenwich? You have you get the offer letter or you want to apply?
Yes. Yes, I want to apply, but I have no idea about the admission dates or how to apply.
Okay, so basically you can apply now. We HR consultants are here to support you in terms of admissions, and you can place from which area you are from, Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad.
I'm from Lahore.
Okay, from Lahore. So after you can, after this call, you have my number. You can send your documents on WhatsApp, and we can place your application. Normally for the admissions and what we require in terms of admissions is we require your all education documentations, and and other than that, we require your personal statement about the program, why you are going for this particular program, and then at the same time we require a CV from your side, and then we can place an application. There is no charges to place your application if you are applying to HR consultants. because we are the one who are the official representative for the Greenwich University. So you are more than welcome to place your application. If you have any specific question regarding Greenwich, you can simply ask now. Yes, Aksa, any questions?
Alexa, are you listening? I think she's not here. I'm taking next call.
Okay, no
Mr.
problem.
Zain. Mr. Zain is waiting. Miss, you can take Mr. Zain.
Okay, Zain, are you here? Hello, Zain.
Nadia, I think he has messaged.
I think
Zain, you have messaged that your name is Zainul Abidin and you're looking for computer sciences. So yes, you can place your application. Can you tell us from which university you completed your bachelor's and what is your CGPA? Okay, no problem, Zain. If your mic is not working, no issues. You can simply place your application. You have my number. It's 034647477018. And you can simply WhatsApp your documentation, including your education documentation and your CV. Greenwich University do offer MSc Computer Sciences. And basically, with computer sciences, we do offer the work placements as well. Means that the program duration will be 2 years. So 1 year will be your course program duration, and the another year will be a placement year where you can be having the industry placement exposure. So with 3.05 GPA, yes, you are eligible for the Greenwich University. So you can place your application. So as soon as you are sending us the documentation, our team would process your application, and we will be normally the admission is taking up to 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks we will be getting your admission letter, and then the HR team will be assisting you for the whole procedure, including the visa application and including the interview preparation, and all the process include including the university accommodation too. Tahir, we should go for the next call.
यस मिस अपनी नेक्स्ट कॉल से पहले मैं अपने तमाम ऑडियंस को एक दफा फिर से अनाउंस करना चाहूंगा यहाँ पर कि वो स्टूडेंट स्पेशल जैसा कि आपने देखा कि हमारा सेशन कंटिन्यू है ग्रीनविच यूनिवर्सिटी के हमारे साथ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अवेलेबल हैं हमारी एचआर टीम के मैनेजर अवेलेबल हैं और आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज हैं इनसे रिलेटेड फी स्ट्रक्चर से रिलेटेड है आइट से रिलेटेड है एडमिशन प्रोसेस से रिलेटेड है जैसा कि रिसेंटली कंडीशन में बहुत से स्टूडेंट कंफ्यूज हैं कि हम क्या जा सकते हैं कम्युनिटी डे के लिए नहीं जा सकते तो वो तमाम स्टूडेंट्स अपनी आज की इस सेशन में अपनी तमाम क्वेरीज को क्लियर कर सकते हैं हम आपकी एप्लीकेशन एडमिशंस के बारे में बताएंगे तो ये बहुत ही आज का इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन है तो उसको लाजमी ज्वाइन कीजिए या फिर भी अभी हमें लाइव कॉल कीजिए 034647477043 पर जी मिस नादिया नेक्स्ट कॉल है मिस फातिमा शेख जो रिसेंटली अभी उन्होंने रीज्वाइन किया
Okay, Fatma, we'll go with the Fatma. Fatma, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Fatma, please introduce yourself.
My name is Fatima, and I've done software engineering from UMT Sialkot, and my CGPA is 3.77.
Okay, and which program you are looking for?
Master in Artificial Intelligence or Computer Science.
Okay, great. Fatma, the program you are selected, Greenwich has a specialities in terms of computer sciences, in terms of electrical electronics engineering, and definitely with your CGPA, you can place your application. Did you apply earlier, or are you looking to apply now for the Greenwich?
I'm looking to apply now.
Okay, great. So Fatma, you have my number. I have mentioned on the screen too. So you can simply send us the documentation via WhatsApp, and our team will be here to assist you. And myself personally will be assisting you for the admission at Greenwich University. So you have some particular questions about the institution or about your program?
Yes, it is possible to get admission if I have not taken IELTS.
Yes, Fatma. Basically, yes. Okay, Mohit want to answer this?
Sure, I can expand on this. Yes, you can apply to the university without having an IELTS, Fatima. So what the university and we being the pathway provider, what we are offering is English language tests to students who want to go and study either at UJIC or directly at the university. It's an online test, and once an offer letter is issued from the university, you will have more information in regards to how you can apply for the test, and then proceed further. So you will be required to prove your English language proficiency by taking the test and then scoring what they require in terms of IELTS.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
I guess, Fatma, that answer your question, because that the Greenwich University do offer their English test. So the first thing is that you have to place your application. So send us the documentation, and we can arrange your admission first. Once you get an admission, then we will request the university for your English test, and probably they are sending you the test details on via email, and then we can take your test, and if you pass that test, you meet the entry requirement of the institution. So yes, you are able to join the university in time for this year September. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Fatma. I guess Zen, you have some question. Okay, you have mentioned that. Can you please give us a brief idea about the initial expenses at UNIS? Yes, basically, Zen, whenever we are talking about the expenses, so basically there are two major expenses while you are studying in the UK or in any other country. So in terms of particularly for the UK, so you require tuition fees and your living cost. So tuition fees means that the whole academic year tuition cost, if the normally the university tuition cost comes with 13,500, and it depends and varies from the subject area to subject area. And then at the same time, the living cost, because the Greenwich is in London, so as per UK Board Agency, the living cost for the Greenwich is 11,385. So normally we come up with £11,500. So altogether, you have to keep the amount, your tuition fees and your living cost in your accounts for the visa purpose, and same amount is required when you are going and studying at Greenwich University. Yes, Tahir, any next
Yes,
call, please?
Mr. Taram Bashir is waiting for call. Yes, Taram, can you listening me? Are you listening me?
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
Yes, Miss Nadia, please.
Okay, Tehran, can you please speak loudly because your voice is not clear?
Hello, Miss Nadia. Now, can you hear me properly?
Yes, please.
Okay, this is Taram here, and I did law in 2017 from University of the Punjab, Lahore. And now, to support my academic background, I'm interested in LLM, International Business and Commercial Law.
Sorry, Tehran, I'm not able to. I didn't get your question. Can you please repeat it?
Okay, hello.
Yes, please. Can you speak loudly, please?
Yes. Okay, fine.
I'm
I did.
sorry because the thing is that we are not getting your voice.
I think, Nadia, the question was, she has done LLB law in 2017, and she now wants to apply for international and commercial law LLM at University of Greenwich.
Yes. You can always apply for the LLM program. The Greenwich University do offer LLM programs, and with your CGPA, you can always.
And anyone here?
Yes.
Tehran,
Yes,
did you place your application?
Hello, Miss Nadia. Can you hear me?
Yes, it's fine. Did you place your application, or you are looking to apply now?
Yeah, I think your teammate Miss Sidra have my all educational documents, and she shared an offer letter from BPP University last month. But I'm not interested in this university. I want a good one. So in this regard, I want to know that whether Mr. Moit can share more additional requirements, if this university have.
So basically, in terms of your LLB, if you have more than 50% marks, you can apply for the LLM program. And
Yes,
I believe with your
0.9%.
yes. So with your CGPA, and with your percentage, you can always welcome to apply for the Greenwich. So it's better to talk with your counselor, and even you can have my number, and you can simply send us the documentation, and our team will be able to process your application for the Greenwich for LLM program.
Okay, I have few questions.
Okay, please.
Can this university accept GT IELTS instead of academic British IELTS? I have attempted in September.
Okay, basically, Tehran, it depends on, and the decision basically comes with the department. So the better thing is that you should submit your IELTS, which you have attempted already with your education documentation, and then the academics would be decided, or might be they would be asking you for an internal test, which Mohit has already described. So you can attempt that test, and you can get into the Greenwich for the LLM program.
Okay, and did this university offering any scholarship or any discount on this
Yes,
program?
yes, we do. We do offer scholarships and discounts. It depends on the academics. It depends on your academic, and all the decision will be coming with the admissions body. So we will be processing your applications once you get the admission. Then we can finally request for your scholarship too.
Okay. Okay, thanks so much.
No problem. No problem, Tehram. You just need to place your application. Ask the required counselor to take your admission for the Greenwich. Otherwise, if you require any other support, so my team is always here to support you. And you can always keep me a call on my number, or you can simply send me a WhatsApp, and I can check your admission process with my admission team. Thank you.
Sure, thanks so much. Thanks.
Thank you. Yes,
Okay.
Tahir?
Yes, Mr. Noman, can you hear me?
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Noman,
please.
can you hear me, Mr. Noman? I think he's not available. Kasim, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I hear you.
How are you, Kasim?
Sir, Alhamdulillah. And who are you?
I'm fine. What's your question about Greenwich University? Can you tell us?
Uh, Sir, I want to know the fee structure for MPhil Cybersecurity in Greenwich University. Fee structure of MPhil Cybersecurity.
Okay, Kasim, basically, the engineering programs normally they cost from 13,500. And what about your CGPA? What GPA you are holding at the moment?
Ma'am, my CGPA is 2.18 and percentage is 61.8, 62% almost.
Okay, from which university?
I am recently graduated from University of Lahore. My education is BS Computer Science. Anyone here?
Yes, Miss Nadia.
BS Computer Sciences.
Kasim, wait a minute. She's answering to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kasim, basically you can place your application, and the fees for your program is 13,500.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
No problem. You should place your application, and the better thing is that have you applied to Greenwich, or are you looking for to apply for?
Ma'am, I am already connected with. Hello, anyone here?
Yes,
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 yes.
please. I'm listening.
Ma'am, basically, I only want to know about the fee structure, and you tell me 13,500 pounds. Is that I'm right?
Yes, yes. This is what the website has been mentioned, that this is the course base they are offering.
Ma'am, any scholarship opportunity for me?
We can look into the scholarship basically, but the first step is that you need to apply first. Once you get the
Okay, ma'am.
admission, then you ask the university for the further scholarships.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Tahir, we should go with the Mohit. Mohit, can you please, because Mohit is the one who is looking for the undergraduate program at Greenwich. So we would really want that Mohit could get a brief introduction about their undergrad programs offered by the OIG, so that people should know that what products they are offering.
Sure. Thank you, Nadia. So, as I said before, University of Greenwich is one of our partner institutions. Before I talk about our center with Greenwich, just wanted to mention something about Oxford International Education Group as a company. So we have three divisions. We have a division for summer school provision, where we deal with 40 to 50,000 students a year. on various summer school programs. Then we have 3 A-levels and IGCSE colleges in the UK, very niche programs, very good, highly ranked institutions. And then our students from these institutions, they go to well-renowned universities in the UK, such as Cambridge, Oxford, and top and Ivy League universities in the US. And then we have the Pathways division, where we work with 4 universities in the UK: University of Greenwich, De Montfort University, Dundee University, and Bangor University. I'm going to focus on University of Greenwich in specific. So University of Greenwich is based in southeast London. Greenwich as a city, as a area is very well. It's very popular amongst the tourists. So a lot of activities going on, all the time. University is only 20 minutes train journey from London Bridge, so quite central. And as an institution, university has 3 campuses. There are 2 campuses based in London, Greenwich Maritime and Avery Hill campus, and they have a campus in Kent, Medway Kent as well. So students can commute between the campuses. University has its own shuttle bus service, which is very affordable in terms of commuting. So at London campuses, university is offering programs in computer science, business, law, arts and design, education, health and education programs, and science and engineering programs are offered, and pharmacy are offered at Medway campus. Again, as I said before, it only takes 40 to 45 minutes to travel from Greenwich Maritime campus to Medway campus. So it's commute is not an issue. University students can travel between the campuses using the shuttle service available at the university. So in regards to what we offer at our center and what we do, so we offer foundation level programs to the students who are not academically qualified to get an admission onto year 1 of the university. Our foundation or international year 0 programs are also available to students who have studied GCSE, for example. And we do have international year 1, which is equivalent to the student year 1 of the university. And we also have pre-master's program at the university in business area. Now, for international year 0 or foundation level studies, we have programs in business, in computer science, engineering, media, law, and pharmacy, science. And then at international year 1, we have programs in business and engineering. Now, university is offering a number of scholarships, as you said before, to students. And we being the foundation provider, we do have some attractive scholarships as well. We are offering scholarships up to £4,000 to foundation level students in our Pathway Center. And once they progress onto the university, they are eligible to apply for the scholarships, which are available to direct university students. There's the process that they need to go through, but if they do fulfill the criteria, they are awarded the scholarship. The next intake for our Greenwich Center is September. We are currently taking applications, and if students are interested, they can always contact HR Consultants team, which are based in all major cities in Pakistan. HR Consultants is the trusted partner in Pakistan, and then we work very closely with the team, and they are very well aware of the institution and the application process. Back to you, Nadia.
Thank you so much, Mohit.
मिस नादिया, इससे जी बिल्कुल एक तो मैं अनाउंस करना चाहूंगा, मेरे पास कुछ क्यूरीज हैं स्टूडेंट्स की ग्रीनविच यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए, वो भी मैं डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा आपसे। जैसा कि तमाम व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं कि हमारा ये सेशन कंटिन्यू है ग्रीनविच यूनिवर्सिटी से रिलेटेड, ओआईजी से रिलेटेड, सारा ये हमारा सेशन बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन है। आपकी जो भी क्यूरीज है अपने तमाम क्यूरीज को क्लियर कीजिए, फी स्ट्रक्चर से रिलेटेड है, आईएल से रिलेटेड है, जैसा कि डिस्कशंस हो रही है, और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्कशन है क्योंकि जो कमिंग इनटेक है इसके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। वो स्टूडेंट्स जो जाना चाह रहे हैं ग्रीनविच यूनिवर्सिटी में स्टडी करना चाह रहे हैं यूपी में, तो तमाम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन है, तो ज्वाइन करें या फिर अपनी हमें लाइव कॉल करें 034647470043। मिस नादिया, मेरा आपसे सवाल ये था कि अभी मिस जैनब ने एक इंक्वायरी प्लेस की है, वो ये जानना चाह रही हैं कि क्या वर्क प्लेसमेंट के भी कुछ चार्जेस हैं ग्रीनविच यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए? फॉर एग्जांपल वो ग्रीनविच यूनिवर्सिटी में अप्लाई करें मास्टर प्रोग्राम के लिए, लेट्स से 1 ईयर मास्टर, 1 ईयर वर्क प्लेसमेंट और 2 ईयर वर्क परमिट, तो क्या इनके कुछ चार्जेस हैं या नहीं?
The work placement, normally package they don't charge for the work placement, but these placements are not guaranteed. One need to know because it depends on the student performance. They have signed the agreements with the industry. So normally once they offer the work placement, so it's the responsibility of the student to just to contact with that industries, and they should place their applications. And the industries normally come for their interview, and once they successfully take the interview, so then they take the students for the work placements. But Greenwich doesn't charge anything for the work placement.
ठीक है, और एक नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये भी रिसीव हुआ स्टूडेंट्स की तरफ से कि बीएस ज़ूलॉजी किया हुआ 4 इयर्स बीएस ज़ूलॉजी किया हुआ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर से रिसेंटली, तो उनके लिए क्या ऑप्शन अच्छी हो सकती है? बीएस ज़ूलॉजी किया हुआ तो क्या ऑप्शन आप देना चाहिए ग्रीनविच यूनिवर्सिटी?
In terms of आप किस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, सब्जेक्ट एरिया के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं?
जी ग्रीनविच यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में कि बीएस ज़ूलॉजी किया हुआ स्टूडेंट ने 4 ईयर बैचलर्स, ठीक है, अब वो ऑप्शन चाह रहे हैं कि मेरे लिए बेस्ट ऑप्शन क्या हो सकता है?
देखिए मैं आपको बताती हूँ, डिपेंड करता है स्टूडेंट के इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर है। The best thing is for the student is that they should look into the university programs. The program is given by the Greenwich is available on their website. So
Miss Nadia, can you hear me? जी
So basically, yes, Tanvi Tahir, I was just telling you that the better thing for this student is that they should go on the website and look into the program list and find out which program they are more interested into, and then he or she can apply into that program.
Thank you, Miss Nadia. Next student is waiting for call. Yes, Mr. Nabil, can you hear me? Mr. Nabil, can you hear me? Mr. Nabil, can you hear me? Okay, Ms. Nadia, you can continue.
Okay, no problem. We should continue with the Mohit again. Mohit, can you please tell us that what will be the start dates? Just as you know that the COVID-19 students are very much they are very much keen to join the institution in September. So, what do you think that, and what is your observation in the UK that either the courses are going to be start in September or the institution are going to shift their intakes to October or November? So what you have planned for the OIG?
Okay, so I think it's a very important question for students, and everyone involved in this process. हमारे पास जो options हैं currently वो दो हैं students के लिए हमारे pathway centers में. So the main focus is on the delivery of programs face to face in September intake. And if for any reason, by reason I mean government restrictions or students being unable to travel for various reasons, we do have November intake as well. So if a student is unable to join us in September intake, we will defer them to November intake and they can continue their studies and it would not have any academic impact on student. और आपने पहले इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज का आई थिंक एक क्वेश्चन रेज हुआ था, उसको मैं थोड़ा सा अगेन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए थोड़ा सा मैं
हेलो, कैन आई स्पीक?
जो सुन रहे हैं
Yes,
जो
Mohit.
Yes,
जो
Mr. Mohit.
Sure, thank you. So those who are listening us or are going to listen this podcast later, in terms of English language, Oxford International being the pathway provider for University of Greenwich and the university itself, we have an option of online English language text. So it's available to students who are coming either onto the pathway side of things or going directly to the university. We are aware that IELTS centers are closed at majority of places, so the option is there. Students can once they have an offer from the institution, they then receive the details of the online English language test, and if they fulfill the criteria, it will be acceptable by the university in regards to the students proving their English language proficiency.
Thank you so much, Mohit. I believe Tahir have an query. Yes,
Mr.
Tahir,
Nadir,
please.
yes, Mr. Nadir, can you hear me now? Mr. Nadir, can you hear me now? I have one question from Noman. They want to ask about the master duration. Yes, Mr. Nadir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Here are 3 questions to ask. Can I ask right now?
Yeah, sure. You can ask your question.
Yes, the first question is that I want to apply for the MBA Supply Chain Management. So what is the fee structure, and when we have to process this fee, at the time of submission or after or later? This is the first question. And the second question is that how can we apply for the scholarship? Because I want to go for the scholarship program. So how can I apply for it? I have to process the fee before the scholarship or after the scholarship?
Okay, Nadir, did you apply earlier, or you have already placed the application, or you are going to place the application?
No, I'm going to place the application.
Okay, you are going to place your application. So can you please give us a little introduction about yourself, what you did so far, what was your last?
Yes, my name is Nadir Ahmed, and I have done my BBA studies 4 years from the Sindh Madrasatul Islam University in 2017. And here I want to apply for the MBA program in the supply chain management.
Okay, sir. Okay. So did you find out the program at the University of Greenwich?
I did not find out yet, because I just discussed with some of your agent who just give me this information about the Greenwich University. So they just suggest me to come and live to ask the questions. After that, I will go for the programs to search.
Okay, no problem. So basically the program, the first thing is that you just need to go and see the program list from the Greenwich, because they do offer MBA, but they don't offer the MBA with the supply chain. So if you really want to apply for the MBA, yes, you can apply. Another thing in terms of fees is because for the MBA program, the fees is £15,000. And if you are looking for the scholarships, yes, the thing is that scholarships are available, but it depends on your GPA, and the decisions would become with the academic. So for the first thing is that you need to place your application. You just need to be in contact with your counselor if you have already in HR consultants. Otherwise, you have my number, and you can simply place your documentation and you can place your application via WhatsApp, and then we can get your admission for the MBA program at Greenwich. And later on, once you get your admission, then you can always apply for the scholarships. But to be very honest, you need to understand that the scholarships are not the guaranteed thing. The scholarships are there, but it depends on the department to department, and the decision is always come from the department and the admissions team.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nadir.
Thank you.
Miss, I have a last question from inquiry. Student is asking regarding £4,000 scholarship and is offered to all participants applying? Can you tell us?
Tahir, it depends. It is the scholarship is basically on CGPA based. So normally, once we are talking about the scholarship, so it's always based on the academics. So once the student is placing the application, so HR team is here to support you for the admission, and the next step, the HR team is here to support them for the scholarships applications too. So if they really have a good academics, so they would able to get into.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Nadi. You
Okay.
can continue.
No problem.
Uh,
Tahir, Mohit, do you want to say something here?
Sure. I just wanted to expand on what I said regarding scholarships. So basically, your scholarships, many mentioned here, they are primarily for students who are going to the Pathway Center of the University of Greenwich. So for up to £4,000 mean it varies from program to program. So it starts at 2,500 and goes up to £4,000. Now, the reason we say up to £4,000 because there are various levels of scholarships. So when a student, for example, if a student is applying for International Year Zero program in law, they will be awarded with £4,000 scholarship. But whereas if a student is applying for foundation program in business, their scholarship will be slightly different. So when a student applies and then get an offer, it comes with a detail of the scholarship that is available to the student. But the minimum is 2,500 and maximum is £4,000. Now, I was asked a question during this podcast to expand on the entry requirements by one of the viewers. So, University of Greenwich, we are accepting students who have studied GCSE, O levels, or A levels. So this is for the Pathway Center for Greenwich. So at the moment, what we need is at least 5 O levels with grade D. So that is our minimum requirement. If a student has studied English language with a grade C, they are not required to have IELTS. For International Year 1, we need 48 UCAS points as per new tariff, which is equivalent to 3 A levels with grades E, with a grade E. I hope that answers the question I was asked.
Yes, Mohit. Thank you so much. Thank you so much to join this session with us. Tahir, do you have any question?
No, I'm done. I don't have any question now.
Okay, thank you so much, viewers. We really want to thank you that you people are here and you was listening us. Again, the Asia Consultants team is here to support you in terms of admissions, in terms of the visa application, and in terms of any query you have regarding UK institutions. You can look into the website. You can view our website. It's www.hrpakistan.com. Our team is here. Mr. Tahir is here. So me myself, I have given my number, so you can always welcome to place your application. We are accepting the applications on the WhatsApp. Even you can send us application on email, or you can send us via WhatsApp, or you can even call us. And if you have any query, so you can just get your answer of the query on the call. So it's nice to see you all people here. Stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you.